Let's get this math party started. All right, imagine you're at a club, and there's a bouncer, and his name is Elimination. This guy's job is to kick out any variable that's causing drama. You got two equations, and you want to find out where they intersect.
Now, Elimination's on the job. He's like,
I'm gonna take out one of these variables and I'm gonna do it with style.
He looks at the equations and says,
You know what? I'm gonna multiply the second equation by -2 so I can take out that x variable.
So, we multiply the second equation by -2. Now, Elimination adds both equations.
he's like,
I got rid of that x variable and now I got y by itself.
So we solve for y. Now that we got y, we can plug it back into one of the original equations to find x. Let's use the second equation. So the solution is x equals 3 and y equals 2.
Elimination's like,
Yup, I kicked out that variable and now you got your solution. Boom!
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.